Hello, who's this? Oh, sorry, I did not mean to sound so rude. Is this how you attend a phone call? Do you ask who is this, and does it make you sound so rude when you're speaking English? Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. We use our phones every day and a lot of conversation happens over our phone. But have you ever felt nervous or unsure about what to say? Whether it's a casual call, a formal call, or even a customer service call, knowing the right phrases will make you sound more confident, natural, as well as polite in English. I'll teach you the most useful English phrases and questions you need for phone conversation. Let's get started. The first one is answering a call politely. In a formal situation, you don't just pick up the phone and say hello. Here's how you can do it properly. In casual situation, you can say hello or you can say hey, what's up? You can use this when talking to your friends. In a polite or formal situation, you can say hello, this is Naurin speaking, or you can say good morning, may I know who is calling? Or if you are expecting a business call, you can say how may I help you? These are the polite ways to attend a phone call. When you just pick up the phone and say who is this, it sounds rude. It doesn't sound polite. So to make it polite, you can just add, may I know who is calling? These are the little changes that can help you sound more natural, confident, polite, fluent in English. Second one, asking who is calling. If you don't recognize the voice, here's how to ask who is calling in polite way. May I ask who is calling? Who is speaking, please? Can I know who this is? You can use the last sentence, can I know who this is, in informal situations. For example, if someone calls you and just says hello, you can reply, hello, may I know who is calling? These are the best ways to ask who is calling. Third one, asking someone to wait. Putting on hold. Sometimes you need to ask the caller to wait. Here's how to do that. Can you hold on for a moment, please? Just a second, let me check. I'll be right back. Please stay on the line. If you are in a formal situation, you can say, would you mind holding for a moment? Now, how can you ask someone to call you back? If you are busy or if the person they want to talk to isn't available, you can say, can I call you back in a few minutes? I'm a bit busy right now. Can we talk later? He isn't available at the moment. Can I take a message? For example, the caller asked, is Sarah there? You can reply, she is not available right now. Would you like to leave a message? Leaving a message. Now, if you need to leave a message, you can say, can you tell her that your message? You can fill in your message there. Could you ask John to call me back? Please let Sarah know that I called. For example, you can ask it like this. Could you ask Mr. Smith to call me back when he's free? These are the ways you can leave a message to someone over a phone call. Ending a call politely. How do you say goodbye without sounding rude? Here are some natural ways to end a phone call. In casual way, you can say, all right, talk to you later. Bye for now. In a polite or formal situation, you can use phrases like, thank you for your time. Have a great day. I appreciate your help. Goodbye. Now let's look at some common problems and how to handle them. Sometimes phone calls don't go smoothly. Here are some common issues and how to respond. First one, bad connection. Sorry, I can't hear you clearly. Could you repeat that? You're breaking up. Can you say that again? These are the ways you can use when the connection is bad. When it's a wrong number. I'm sorry, I think you have the wrong number. I believe you dialed the wrong number. Now you know how to confidently handle phone conversations in English. Try these phrases when you attend a phone call. This can help you sound more natural and fluent in English. Also, it can help you sound polite in English. Because when you are speaking to someone, you should always sound polite. They shouldn't say that you are very rude just because you don't know how to use the phrases properly in English. These phrases will help you in all your phone situations. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.